iPhone can run much smoother than it currently does. If you're using an iPhone Pro model and the animations feel just average to you, chances are you still haven't enabled the 120Hz refresh rate. In this video, I'll show you exactly where this option is hidden and how to activate it for the best possible experience. Whether you're scrolling through Instagram, playing games, or just opening apps, let's get the most out of your iPhone. So first, find the Settings app on your phone and open it. Once you're in Settings, scroll down a bit and find the Accessibility section, then tap on it. Inside the Accessibility menu, look for the option called Motion and tap on it as well. Now that you've done that, you'll see a list of different motion-related options. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and you'll find one called Limit Frame Rate. If this option is enabled, turn it off by tapping the switch next to it. This will allow your iPhone to use the full 120Hz refresh rate. When the limit frame rate option is turned on, your display is intentionally capped at 60 Hz, even though the device is capable of more. This can make scrolling, app transitions, and animations feel slower or less smooth, especially noticeable on iPhone Pro models. By disabling this option, you're allowing the system to dynamically adjust the refresh rate, lowering it when it's not needed to save battery, and raising it up to 120 Hz when full smoothness is needed, such as while gaming, watching videos, or quickly scrolling through content. Also, make sure that low power mode is turned off. If it's enabled, be sure to disable it as well because it also limits the refresh rate to 60 Hz to preserve battery life. And that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again very soon.